Alright guys, just have to change that wiper blades of your Silverado. So, here are the wiper blades. Just lift it up. And see this little tab here? Let's just push this out, like so. So that comes out. So here you go, this little tab. Then it's not like, have you seen videos where they just push it out? You have to go, just slide it in actually. And then what you do is just flip it. And then you're just gonna see that it just comes out. See that? So you flip it and it comes out. It's kind of hard to show you guys, but once you do it, it's gonna be very, very easy. So here are the old wiper blades and we're gonna just put new ones in. So that's how it looks like right now. So just to show you the replacement, this is it. Here's what I got. Just get 22s. It doesn't have to be this brand or anything like that, but these look pretty close to the originals. And they were around 20 bucks. And this is how the replacement looks like. By the way, with the replacement, you get these little guys. So you get these with it and with your wipers, but you don't actually need them. So don't worry about these. Just wanted to show you that you do get these part of these wipers. And even the instructions gonna tell you that you're okay. It's for large or small hooks. You do have to take out this plastic that comes on the wiper, by the way. All right, so this is gonna be pretty simple. All we have to do is just put it here and just push it in. So just align it and then push. It has to be straight and then you slide it in, okay? So you push, slide, and you don't need two hands to do this. It'll make it a lot easier. So once again, you push it in, slide it through, and then you lock it in. So just make sure it slides the whole way so it locks in. And then just push this down. And then you're locked in. Pretty much done with this. To make sure it's fully in, just flip it like this, and it should lock in the whole way. So this should look like so at this point. But only once you do this, it's gonna lock properly. And here you go, you're all set. There's your wiper.